Effective dashboards for business performance monitoring. Effective dashboards are crucial for monitoring business performance. They visually present your data analytics and insights. They let you track important KPIs and metrics in real time. This enables quick, informed decisions. A clear, concise dashboard design lets you spot trends in your data. This helps you optimize your business processes and strategies for better results. The benefits of using dashboards for business monitoring. Data visualization. Dashboards use visuals to show your data. They make complex info easy to grasp at a glance. Insights. Monitoring KPIs and metrics via dashboards provides insights. It reveals your business's performance and areas to improve. Real-time tracking. Dashboards show performance metrics in real time. You can quickly react to changes and trends. Efficient reporting. Dashboards let you quickly, easily generate automated reports. This saves time and resources. The future of business performance monitoring. As technology advances, effective dashboard design will be crucial for monitoring business performance. Its importance will only grow. Data analytics tools and business intelligence software are on the rise. Businesses can now track and analyze their performance metrics in real time. They have more options than ever to do this. New dashboard tools and trend awareness can give businesses an edge in today's fast-paced market. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective dashboards are essential for monitoring and optimizing business performance.